What's up, everybody? Antonio Four here, CEO and music instructor at Growing in the Gift School of Music Ministry. We're here today for a piano lesson for the Absolute Beginner Part 5. And man, we've been learning a lot so far, and it's getting fun. This is the good stuff here. Now we're getting into really breaking down the piano more, starting to understand it more, starting to master certain things. By this time, you have probably learned your major scale. You should have learned piano chords. You should have learned some exercises to strengthen your fingers. And this is just a great way to start getting you ready to start playing songs. This lesson here is about to open your mind of theory. We're going to talk about chords, the C major chords, all the chords in that scale, and it's going to be more in depth. This one is going to break down even minors that's in there. So I'm going to explain these things to you, and I want you just to learn. It's not going to be a very long lesson. This is going to be a very quick one, but then after this, we're going to start getting to the fun stuff where we're going to start using these chords for songs. All right, so we're gonna make this very good, and we're gonna expedite this thing so that you can start playing. All right. So first thing we know is this is a C major chord. Okay, this is a C major chord. This is a C major chord shape. All right. So now if we do we by now you should have practiced this. I'm going fast just for the sake of the lesson. Okay. So this is a C major chord. Now I never really spoke on what all the other chords are, but I'm about to teach you until we get all the chords until we get up to the other C. So the first one is a C major, all right? That's a major chord because major sounds very bright. Remember? Very bright. Now, the next chord is D. It's a D minor. It's not a major, okay? It's a D minor. All right? Now, minor sounds a little bit darker. If you notice the difference from this to that, is kind of like from major, the C major to the D minor is very dark. The next chord is E, E minor, okay? You could tell it's minor because it's very dark sounding, all right? The next chord, which is the fourth chord in this scale, is F major. It's very beautiful. It's very bright. The next one is G major, A minor, B diminished, and now you're back to C major, okay? Easy, right? So I want you to remember this. Now we're starting to get into a little bit of theory, and I'll explain to you why I'm teaching this. Because when you understand the difference between major and minor, when you start learning certain songs, you can actually hear the difference. Because like I said, major is very bright, minor is very dark. And whatever key you're playing in, like let's say a song is in the key of C major, you already know which one is major or minor or any chords in here. So you already know this is a C major. You'll know that this is a D minor. You'll know this is E minor. You'll know that this is F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and C major. Okay? So I want you to get this theory. This is like a theory lesson. Again, I want you to understand major and minor. Now, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and back to C major. Okay? Now let me explain something to you. When we get more technical with our lessons, when we do the C major scale, C sharp major scale. So remember I told you if we go up a half step, sorry. If we go up a half step, there is a C sharp major. C sharp has the same set of chords in them, just like the C major. So I'm just gonna play it. I don't expect you to learn this today, but I want you to listen to this. So this is C sharp major, D sharp minor, F minor, F sharp major, G sharp major, A sharp minor, C diminished, C sharp. So all I did was I took it up a half step. You'll need to learn this when we start doing more songs, but you don't need to focus on that right now. I want you to focus on C major, okay? C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and C major. Listen, if after this lesson, after you guys master these, I'm going to teach you a easy song. Yes, you if you once you master these chords, I'm gonna be able to teach you an easy song because now you understand the theory. So if I call out a song in the C major, you already know certain these chords now. This lesson is going to teach you and master these chords. I can't wait till the next lesson. Take care.